everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, share an unboxing. Yes, you all, I have an unboxing. I don't know, I'm gonna just share the unboxing, you all. So if you're here to see what Miss Tamika is talking about, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to go ahead and click on that subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this here unboxing. Before I start this here unboxing, I do have a replica unboxing, so if out there, just in case this is not your thing, because I know it's not everyone's cup of tea. Before, I don't mind sharing, because I share luxury unboxings, like actual luxury unboxings from the actual stores, and brands have been reaching out. So I just wanted to see the replica side of things. So this is why I have been agreeing to do these type of unboxings. Now this particular bag came from the same company that sent this one, you all. And when I tell you, I have been wearing this one like constantly. So I got this bag, you all. Oh my gosh, you all, I have been wearing this every day. Like the zipper has gotten a lot better, I guess, because I started using it more. So the same brand is this one. Got another bag. They wanted to work with me again, so I was like, okay, so let's try something different. So you all, I tried something totally different. Never had any bags from this here particular brand. I have had some of the SLGs, but never a bag. I tried this bag on in stores, so I felt like I can kind of feel the texture of the bag and to see how it looks like. I'm expert on this particular bag, so I really don't know, but I did wanted to see one of their bags in person. I did end up going with Chanel, and you all, it came wrapped. The bag came in this here Chanel dust bag, but I was so excited. I wrapped everything back up but forgot to put the bag in here. But I just wanted to let you know that the bag did come with this here dust bag, and wrap it, but the bag came wrapped like this, you all. Like, I'm telling you, when I tell you the presentation and packaging is 10 out of 10, like 10 out of 10. It's a little different because the original one is a little more, is a lot fuller. But again, if you don't know, you wouldn't know. Kind of feels like the actual Chanel ribbon, because I do have the real thing in my closet, but I'm not going to get it because, you know, it really doesn't matter with the ribbon and the bow. Show you how it comes packaged, you are, like 10 out of 10. Like, as long as they sending them to me, I don't mind sharing. Would I ever purchase, like I stated in the other video? No. But since they sending them to review, no problem. I have no problem with sharing, because like I said, I like to compare the two. Actual box, like I said, I never purchased a Chanel bag, so I guess this is how the box look. I don't know. Looks like this. Let me know down below, because like I said, anything I purchased from Chanel was always SLG. So here is the box. So excited when I got this here packaging, because so fast. I don't know where it came from. I would have to look, but it came super fast, you all. Like, this is how it came. Like, it comes with the little Chanel paper and a Chanel sticker. Like I said, I did take like some of the wrapping off, and I just wanted to see how the bag looked before, because I wanted to kind of do like a mini inspection of the bag, because if it was trash, I wasn't going to share. I was just like, oh my gosh. I think this is the 19 particular bag, because I was looking at a white bag like this. No, I was looking at the black. I was looking at this exact bag, but they didn't have this color. So she showed me what they had, which was a white one. Of course, if I ever invested in a Chanel, I would never purchase white. But I looked at that bag maybe last year. I think that bag is over 10,000 now. Well, of course, that's out the window for me. Like, I'm not paying 10,000 for a Chanel bag. I'm just saying, I'm not. So if I have to rock this for now, this is what I'll be rocking, because Miss Tamika is not paying 10,000 and more for any type of bag that I got. Let's see if it has the name. And it kind of has the card like the Chanel, because on, I think, the card case, it has something like this on the card case, like to show you what you bought. I know this is something 19 Yeah, I think it's something 19. I'm not sure because like I said, I'm not a Chanel expert. So yeah, but y'all, when I tell you it's so soft, like I don't know if you can see, but it is so soft. I'm gonna take this hair wrapping off because now I can show you the bag. First review. Now I'm starting to get like a lot of emails of different replica brands, but I know for certain this hair brand, 10 out of 10. 2 thumbs up, 10 out of 10, whatever you want to call it. Like I highly recommend this hair brand, you all. First of all, do you see this hair bag? This freaking bag is a cutie. The money, I will buy this bag. Like most definitely, hands down, I will buy this hair bag. And just to show you what was in the box, here Chanel card. I know they don't do this anymore, but they had this here Chanel black card, like to show that it's authentic. We're on the back. So I just wanted to show you the stuff that it came. And the box is magnetic. Box made very well. Yo, this bag is so cute, y'all. It has a back pocket. The back pocket little button was covered. Everything was covered and wrapped in plastic and everything. Pocket here. This here little twisty thing was covered. The inside, oh, this is cute. Look at this. It has like the little Chanel here. I would have to look at like one of my old videos when I went to go look at this bag to see how the inside look. I don't got a good video of the inside of the bag to compare the two. Maybe doing like looking at an unboxing just to see the difference. It has plastic on it because right here, this here has plastic on it. Now I'm starting to understand why y'all ladies like y'all replica bags. I mean, if they looking like this and better, I get it. Like, I'm not even gonna lie, like I really get it. At first I didn't get it, but I'm starting to get it. And I think that's only because I have the chance to actually review these hair bags. It was always, they were in like a trash bag, you get the pick and that was it. And it was like at a little discount mall and stuff. Like, this here has changed the game for replicas, you all. Like, I hate something about, you know, replicas you can use that to travel with instead of traveling with your actual luxury things. Because like this, you have it and you purchased it just recently, I'm sure you paid almost $10,000 or more. So imagine traveling with this and somebody snatched this from you. Like, if I travel with this and somebody snatch it, I mean my stuff in it probably would cost more than the actual bag. But if they were thinking this was the actual Chanel, they would get their feelings hurt because it's not. But you don't know unless you know. Seas or whatever, or going on vacation, you won't know. But like I said, if you a Chanel girl, maybe you will know. Let me take that back, because like I said, I'm not a Chanel girl, so I don't know. So if you a Chanel girl looking at this bag, let me know what's your thoughts on this hair bag. Like 1 to 10, what would you rate this hair bag? So here, let me show you the bag up close. Inside, I think it's like a reddish color. Oh, let me show you the inside. So here in the inside, you just have one compartment with a zipper. There's the inside. Now the inside kind of feel different. I don't know. It's not giving me luxury vibes, but I don't know. I could be wrong because I haven't felt inside the zipper part of a Chanel, so not 100% sure. It don't feel bad, but I don't know. The bag. So, the bag, because I had liked the style of this bag, and then that's why I purchased this, but just in a different color. I was going to get this in black, but I didn't want black because I felt like black is just like a plain color. But I knew with this bag, I wanted to get it in black. So like, look how cute. So I'm going to just put some stuff in here just to show you. Really soft. Like, it don't feel stiff or cheap or anything. Like, it feels like, I'm telling you. I don't know where these bags are coming from, but y'all better cut it out, y'all. Replicas, keep in mind, luxury brands will never go out of business. Like, let's just be clear, replicas would never put the actual luxury brands out of business, because at the end of the day, no matter what, no matter how good these bags are, I still love what I love. I need to buy luxury, and that's just that. But like I said, I don't mind sharing this here stuff on my channel because I continue to buy luxury bags, and I just feel like I get to see both sides. People buy, now I don't know the level of quality versus this brand versus DHgate. I never purchased from DHgate, so I can't really speak on DHgate. So I don't know if the quality of their bags are the same. Like, I don't know if it's like same across the board. I don't know, because like I said, I don't buy luxury items. Not send them to me. Miss Tamika will not be purchasing them. So out there, but like I said, why these brands reaching out? Why not? I don't have nothing else to do. Shit, I maybe can, you know, help y'all out there that's looking to purchase a luxury bag and don't want to spend luxury prices. Like, I'm sorry, everybody do not want to spend, and some people get upset about the replica world. Like, I never invested that much to get upset with a person who likes what they like. Person that's my friend and you like replica bags, girl, I am not that person that's gonna have anything to say. Like I'm just not, like, I'm not that invested in other people like that. Like, some people are. Like, some people get on there and get to typing like, oh, this and all that. Like, I'm not that invested. Like, if I click on your video and it's something that I don't like, I'm gonna go ahead and exit out. Leave a comment like bashing you or saying anything mean or anything like that. Like, that's just never been my thing. Sometimes I feel like people get paid to be mean to people on YouTube or social media, period, because I'm like, girl, disclaimer at the beginning of my video, just in case, because I don't want you to sit through the video and just be like, oh my gosh, I hate that I watched this video. That's why I said what I said at the beginning, just in case you don't like this whole replica thing, exit out, because I understand. Like, I get it, but at the same time, I did warn you at the beginning, so don't watch the video and then get in the comments and start complaining. Let you know, it doesn't have a foul odor or anything like that. It kind of smells like a leather bag. So here is the bag, my stuff in it, and it did add a little weight to the bag. It feels nice. It's not heavy and it's not light. It feels nice. Like, it don't feel cheap. Here is the silver and gold chain. Top is also leather. Let's see. So here is the bag crossbody. I'm not sure if you can see. So here's the bag crossbody. It's a little big, but it's still cute crossbody. And like I said, if I do wear this bag, this is how I will wear it. This is how the bag looks on the shoulder. And I will say the strap is really comfortable. So tuck this in like so. Let me show you, because I remember when she showed me the white bag, she showed me this little trick. Straps in. Well, of course I didn't do it at knee, and you can carry it like this. So this is probably, you can carry it like a handheld type of bag. You can carry the crook of your arm. So get in, like I said, that's how the lady showed me how you can carry the this here particular bag. And the leather is really soft, you all, like this, because I do have the 15 Pro Max. When I upgrade, I am going down a size because I feel like that phone is just way too big for me now. It's a dent, but I'm sure it probably will go away once I just put stuff back here. But as you can see, my iPhone fits perfectly here in the back in it. And of course, as you can see, it fits a whole lot more. But vlogging camera without the case, and it would fit perfectly here on the top. It fits a lot. Let me see what else. I don't know. I carry my Gucci powder. Yeah, it fits a lot, you. This bag is freaking gorgeous. Like, unboxings on this hair bag, because I need to see the difference. Like, I need to be able to look and see what's the difference. Like I said, it is a little big. I don't know if this is the size of the 30, not the big Coach, but I feel like, I don't know, this might be a little bigger than the one that's the 26. I think it might be a little bigger than the 26. Here is the inside of the bag, what's in the bag, because I like to show the bag when I do videos like this. I had my fragrance, sliding puff, nail lotion, some tissues, Charlotte lip gloss. Well, I got this from Ulta. It's from Real Techniques. A power puff for me to touch up my makeup, and it comes with the mirror. Only thing new is the case, because I have one of these here. I don't know where I put it, but I have one of these, but not the case. Toothpick and glasses, a nail mirror. I have my peels, stick, a lip gloss, my actual Chanel card case, YSL mirror. I just wanted to get on here and share my newest unboxing. I am in love. I give this hair company a 10 out of 10. I link and purchase anything, let me know down below, because I'm just curious to know if anyone purchased after watching the video on the backpack. But I just wanted to know if anyone purchased, and if you did, let me know your thoughts, because like I said, packaging 10 out of 10. Chef's kiss, 10 out of 10. She got her first Chanel, honey. She gonna rock this, honey. Let me just tell you, she gonna rock it. Her to be sick of me with the pictures. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Never get on here, try to fake and funk. If it's replica, y'all would know. If it's real, y'all would know. If y'all know Miss Tamika, y'all know this channel started off with actual luxury unboxings. So up there. So again, with that being said, if you enjoyed this hair unboxing, please give this video a big thumbs up, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell, so you could be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.